ya naziva kavajera kamuchingozwa icho manje mazvadhakwa. Yo, shout out to everybody that downloaded the podcast.
DJ Twice.
I want Dima Spark, it's your DJ Twice on the decks. Yo, so everybody know what's happening. This OutShine October. This is a talent show, an online talent show, myself. Which you go promote up with my central so that they can be known each and every place, each and every way. So number 1, we get 2 free videos. Number 2, 1 free video. Number 3, I think that you go to tell on this is what I'm gonna say. I need it. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the contestant number 4. So just want to say congratulations on making it to the competition OutShine October. So simple, introduce yourself, your name, your alias, and where you're from.
My name is Blasio Machingura from Manenga, and my alias is Steezy WemaBeats. I am a producer and an artist too. So I usually record myself and produce my own music. I do Afro music, I do hip hop, and partly R&B.
Okay, that's great. That's amazing, my guys. So, can you tell me more about your name, Steezy WemaBeats? So, yeah, can you tell me more about your name?
Okay, Steezy WemaBeats. My alias doesn't have a meaning. Like I just got my name from my ex-girlfriend, and I don't even know what it means. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, good, bro. So yeah, what first got you into music? Like, what first you got into music, bro?
Okay, what made me get into music? I was once a dancer, a hip hop dancer. I used to dance. So my friends, they downloaded instrumentals for them to sing. Like they were singers, they were rappers. So I took those beats and used them to dance. Up until I just felt like, I must give it a try. That's when Steezy got into music.
All right. So who inspired you to make your music? The music that you do like every day, who inspired you? Or what inspired you?
Okay, my inspiration was Wiz, the guitar man. He inspired me a lot. He's a producer, but with whatever he did, like his beats, his productions, they just inspired me and made me come into music, all of me. So he inspired me.
How would you describe the music that you typically create? Yeah, like typically, how do you describe it? Not music yako chicha hicho, hip hop, dance, or just like Afro fusion. How do you describe
it?
Music?
The music that I create, I can describe it like I'm trying to bring the international music into local based. Like I can do international hip hop in an African way, in a Zimbabwean way. I take that African or Nigerian music, put it in Zimbabwean way because I'm proudly being a Zimbabwean. So when it comes to Afro beats, I sing them in Shona and put some English, but with the Zimbabwean fusion. With the hip hop too, I use Shona version in rapping, and yeah, partly English, but more of Shona.
Okay. What are the difficulties of musicians in your area? Like, my central is different from Harare, is different from Bulawayo. You have to have our own kind of difficulties. So what kind of difficulties do we have as my central?
Okay, the difficulties of musicians in my area, the fees or the charges of the studios are too high for them to manage. They have the talent, but they don't have the money. So it's very difficult for them to achieve what they want. And also to those who manage to have some money to record. They don't have that. What can I say? They can't even push their works, because I think, as far as I'm concerned, every musician wants to make more people understand and listen to their music, but we don't have those platforms to push our music so that all of Zimbabwe will hear what we would make.
Okay, man.
Those are some of the difficulties they are facing.
Okay. Oh yeah, I get you. Like that's why we are trying to get this platform to start working out. So OutShine is a talent show, and you know what? You have to reach the whole world with Waze. So I want to play a song that you made some time ago. So this is a song from Steezy called Mukaranga Chimbochifila Unzwe.
Blaze in the steel. Bring the heat. Mix it non-stop with the hottest DJ.
DJ twice.
Heaven Boy on the track.
Nadumo Steezy WemaBeats. Amudzimai wandinoda mukaranga, ndikamuratidza kuna mai avarambe, anosunga zambia rake ari pamba, kana mbuya varambe, anoda nyefe yangu cheme nyama daily. I make a wife material, as a slave queen. I'm going down, I'm feeling like I'm in. Dear Wandoda, dear Murora, Wamai Muzimai, Wandinoda, Mukaranga, Nikamuratiza kuna Maya Varambe, Ano Sunga Zambia Rakeri Pamba, Kanambuya Varambe. I want dear Murora, dear Murora, I want dear Murora, dear Murora, I want dear Murora, dear Murora, I want dear Murora, dear Murora. I want to marry you, dear Murora. Oh, I want to marry you, dear Murora. I want to marry, to carry. Hey, I want to marry you, oh, yeah. I'm a rapper though, I can survive on my own. I need your love every day like a bride. Chiponda moyo changu ndiweka watora moyo wasisi wayita apenge ya. Pengele ya. Chumama just Steezy or koshe ya. Can you just tell me your name? Okay, I'm asking but already know ya. The way that you're good, you've gone. That is the thing that you could never do. My boys and my hood will be thinking of you. They'll be smiling at you, they'll be trying on you. I want to marry you, dear Muror. Oh, I want to marry you, dear Muror. Muzimai wandinoda mukaranga, nikamuratiza kuna Maya Varambe.
Yes. Kwanza mudzimai ndoda mukaranga. I want that's a dope track. Okay, Steezy, tell me more about this track. Ukumboimbirani go? Kumboimbere kana kuti pane mukaranga katoko kupengesa.
Okay, so the song you are playing is called Mukaranga. Anzi mudzimai wandinoda mukaranga. Yes. It's a nice song. It doesn't have any message though, but what inspired is my girlfriend. You know, I just had to sing something about her, so I just picked one of the like not one, like some of the things that I know her doing, like anoswera akasunga Zambia. Even my mom, she likes her. My grannies, they like her. So I think that's what inspired me. I just wanted to make something out of my heart, like saying something about her. So I was saying, Mudzimai wandinoda mukaranga. I want to marry her. I really want to marry her. So shout out to my DJ Aisha's, my real nigga Simplex, Simba, Koye, Baba Kunashe, and my promoter at Gaza. Yes, Gaza Youth is my promoter. Then, not forgetting my mom and my pa. That's my parents. A big shout out to them. Then, of course, Karanga Wacho, my girlfriend. Nyasha, what up? Yes, yeah. So, thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Mike Central. So, this was the episode of today. Catch me tomorrow on the next episode. Chirama Chingo Wedzira is here. My Central on fire. OutShine October is coming. Don't be left out. Bindamu vote to my fans. Bindamu wanna chicha. So yeah, okay, yeah. Let me just give you a quick description of this competition. So this competition will be running out throughout October, and each and every artist will be giving their clips and it. We can give them a topic that they can sing about. They can sing about drugs. They can sing about summer. They can sing about skyd or whatever. Then when they sing their song, they can record their 30 seconds clip. So that one is not going to be a WhatsApp status. So when they put their 30-second clip, we then put it in the groups. And by my groups, my artist, my fans, my groups. And then you're gonna reply privately. Vote venue. And then all your votes will be tallied. And out of the tallied, the best rapper will be advanced to the next week. And then the worst rapper or the worst artist eliminate until we get like the final 5. And then final actual tournament with live stream. So just stay tuned. Hey, let's go. OutShine October, Hyundai. OutShine October, Hyundai. OutShine October, Hyundai. Way. OutShine October, yo. OutShine October, Hyundai. OutShine October, yo. OutShine October, Hyundai. OutShine October, yo.